Okay, what's disturbing about this problem over here for a lot of people is the fact that there's fractions in it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just get rid of the fraction, all right? Now, you don't have to, but a lot of students are disturbed by the fraction. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna multiply the top equation by 15, because that's the LCD, and the bottom equation by 15. And what would you get over there? Well, you're gonna get 5x minus 6y equals minus 15. Okay, let's do the bottom. You're going to get 10x. Let's see, 9y. And that's going to be 50 and 25, 75. All right, everything's lined up beautifully, by the way. You need to select someone to get rid of. I'm going to go with the x's this time. So minus 2. And that's going to make the top minus 10x, and the bottom 10x. Let's do that. And what do you get there? You get minus 10x plus 12y equals 30. 10x plus 9y is equal to 75. What do you get there? Well, let's see, 21y, and then you're going to get 105. All right? What's y equal to? Well, 21 times what would give you 105? It's going to be 5. All right? Relatively simple. All right, now, someone says, what are you going to do? I'm not going to go back to the original equations because they have fraction in it. I'm going to go to an equation over here that I think might be easy to deal with. This one over here. Let's write this down. So you get 5x, I don't know what x is yet, minus 6 times y, and that would be minus 30, and that equals minus 15. 5x, I'm going to add 30 to both sides, I get 15, and x would equal 3. All right, so x is 3, y is 5. If you write that as an ordered pair, 3, 5. Let's get the old, grade key out, see how we're doing, and I'm seeing the 3, 5. All right, so that's fine if you did it that way. I'm going to go a little different route, though, do it a different way. So I'm going to erase what's here, and I'm going to say fractions don't annoy me. And if they don't annoy me, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at a system of equations, there's a fraction in it, and I need to select someone to get rid of, and I'm going to select the x's to get rid of the x's, by the way. What do I notice? There's 1/3 and 2/3. Least common multiple there, I'd be looking at a 2 again. So minus 2. Let's go for it, see what we come up with. What do you get? Minus 2/3 of an x plus 4/5 of a y is equal to 2. The bottom equation is simply 2/3 of an x plus 3/5 of a y is equal to 5. Put a little line there, add these together. What's nice about adding, there is an elimination. The x's disappear. What are you going to get? 8/5 y. And then what do you get there? Looks like you get, let me see if I made a mistake, because I'm always curious about if I made a mistake somewhere. And I think I did. And someone says, why did you make a mistake? I don't know why I made a mistake. Minus 2/3, 8/5, 4/5, and then plus 2, 2/3 of an x, 3/5 of a y. Oh, I see it now. Sorry about that. I'm glad, I certainly, I'm glad I saw the error. 7/5 of a y, that's y there, is equal to 7. What's y? Y is 5. All right? So what do you do now? You go back to one of the equations that you find easy to deal with. I'd probably say this one over here. Let's write that down. So what do you get? 1/3 of an x minus, well, if I put a 5 there, I would just get 2. And what do you get there? Minus 1. So what do you get? 1/3 of an x. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I get 1, so x would have to equal 3. As an ordered pair, I'd write down 3, 5. Are we getting the same answer? We are. What's my recommendation? Well, if the fractions are bothersome, get rid of it by multiplying by a least common multiple of the denominator of the LCD, and move forward when you have integer coefficients. It makes it easier for most students. Thank you.